Right, so this is where the new tank is going to go, proposally going to go. This is the septic tank we've got here. This is all going to get smashed and backfilled from the soil that's coming here where the tank's going. I'm going to run a pipe straight through, and I'm just getting a VP score now on this. This frame thing's going to get popped down, and basically this is where the soakaway is going to go. The garden itself is absolutely stunning. This is going back up the garden now. Right, test holes, septic tank, tree that we're removing. This is the field at the moment. This is where the farmer's taking the crop in, who knows when, within the next week or two. So once that's been harvested, we can pop the soil on there and flat it out. Going to show you what we got here. So this is your septic tank here, and then you've got a separate compartment over there which again is walled off. So basically that's where your main pipe comes in from the house. So this bit here is your septic tank, and then if we look there, I don't know if you can see that, but there's that point there. Once it gets that level, then it starts to drop into here through that pipe there. And then what it does, if you look right down the bottom there, I don't know if you can see that, there's a 4-inch clay pipe at the bottom, and that's the soakaway. So that there is the septic tank, and that is what they call the old-fashioned cesspit. So there you go. Just digging the soakaway now, and then we're working our way back up. This is the old septic tank cesspit, which has all been knocked down and backfilling now as we speak. There we go. So, there's the septic tank that's going in, 3,000 litre. There's all that stuff. So there we go. Yes, we've had to work backwards on this one, so we're actually fitting the soakaway first, using the pipes as a datum point. We've already marked the ground where the pipes are coming, so we should have a nice fall on it. Right, soakaway in, all crates in, all piped up. Just done a layer of pea gravel underneath. We're just about to top it off now with pea gravel. We've also added an inspection chamber just there, and then we're going to fill all this in and backfill all that, get it all nice and raked and level. Once it's all pea gravelled, then moving the digger back, and the septic tank is going to be where the digger is.
Okay, mate.
Trying to get the blade on that brick.
Yeah.
Completed job. Septic tank, inspection hatch, planted the tree, needs a bit of water. There we go. There you go, job done. All nice and clean and tidy.